Alright, Toyota Yaris NCP90. We're going to be doing coolant flush and replacing the thermostat and the upper radiator hose, the lower radiator hose, and the heater inlet and outlet hoses. So we've drained the coolant. There's a plug down there. I've replaced the top radiator hose, which is easily accessible. The lower radiator hose I've removed. Bit finicky, but I've managed to get it out without jacking the car up. So I'm going to replace the thermostat, which is connected to the lower radiator hose. You can see the housing is there, and there's two bolts. Deep socket bolt, but you can actually access it with just an open end spanner. Fun times because it's quite a cramped engine bay. I'll also be replacing the heater in and out hoses. Yeah, this car's over almost 20 years old, so coolant flush and hoses. There's the thermostat. Just pay attention to that notch at 12 o'clock. So the new one's got to be replaced with that drain plug hole at 12 o'clock. Okay? There's the housing, the two bolts. And then, so that goes to the housing thermostat, and that goes to the radiator. So this is the replacement thermostat. So that little valve has to be at noon when you replace it. Okay. And this is the old thermostat. Take note, there's a rubber seal. Good idea to replace this as well when you chuck the new one in. Heater core hoses, inlet and outlet, there and there. You can see it comes down, clamps, and you can see that one goes down and clamps. So this is that one, and this is that one. Coolant's going to piss out of that, so I'm doing this as part of a coolant system overhaul. Fully drained. I'm just replacing those hoses. Recommend you take the battery out. It's a bit tight in there. So you can see the clamps, and you can see the clamps there and there. Oh. Try and get in closer so you can see. Oh my god, that one there and that one down there. 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 Oh my goodness, bit of effort. Get it out.